department looks into cases of the virus with a process called contact tracing. That's to figure out how COVID-19 has spread.
Could be through direct contact or community exposure. And KAMC Matthew Stell is here to explain more about how they investigate cases in Lubbock County.
Yeah, Brian and Lauren, it's a term many of us probably aren't familiar with, but nearly 700 people may have been kept from getting sick with this very essential process.
Say you were having dinner with your friend and your friend tested positive. So we would talk to your friend that you ate with and say, well, how long were you with Matt? And he'd say, oh, we hung out, had a couple of drinks. It was 2 hours. And we'll say, okay, now Matt probably has exposure from you.
And that's where contact tracing begins. A team of investigators solely committed to tracking and stopping the spread of COVID-19.
Some of those individuals are people from the police department or fire department, people that are used to asking tough questions. So the contact tracing skills are something they already have.
Their task was figuring out what locations a person visited, like their job, a restaurant, a grocery store, and try to confirm the times they were there.
We're really looking for individuals that could possibly become symptomatic or actually be a carrier of the disease and pass it to other people. And we're trying to stop that transmission by making sure that individual knows they were exposed.
And that includes getting in touch with anyone that may have had direct or indirect interaction with an infected person.
And then we go out and we actually contact their contacts and ask them if they have any signs or symptoms. If they've had a lot of exposure to the individual, we will actually require them to stay at home for 14 days.
As you can expect, this requires a lot of effort and manpower. In a time where there's already a nationwide shortage of contact tracers, the city of Lubbock has 12.
We're definitely going to need more people. I don't know what the magic formula is of number of cases to number of contact tracers.
But so far, Will says her team has gotten in contact with over 650 people who would have went without being tested, proving that their work is highly needed right now.
Everybody's under, we have this, the stay at home, and we're doing a lot more social distancing. The places that people go are much more standard.
Ms. Wells says contact tracing has also been used for tracking the spread of the virus at our local nursing homes, places that we know have been really hit hard. Brian?
Certainly have, Matthew. Thank you.